There was a long line at Yonago Kitaro Airport, but it was not for flights. People were lining up for a special vending machine that was set up on February 3rd. The crab capsule machine sells products that are related to crabs, a local delicacy. It's 500 yen per try. The top prize is boiled snow crab that normally costs more than 10,000 yen. Prizes include tickets to museums and other crab-related products. Who was the lucky winner on day 1 of the capsule machine? A 5-year-old girl who was traveling with her family from Kanagawa Prefecture lucked out.
嬉しかったです。
家に帰ってすごい楽しみにしてます。
The crab capsule machine will be available until February 16th.